Good morning. Next one up, Yamaha Tracer 9. I've been dreading this one. Been sitting in the garage for a week now. Just need to build up a little motivation to see if we can work a little magic. This belongs to a local dealer. Just took it in trade. Gentleman's traded in on a new one. I think this was his workhorse. Doesn't look like it's ever been professionally cleaned in some time. Motor is as sweet as a nut, just the cosmetics let it down. That's why I try to stress how important it is to get your bike properly detailed and protected from new. I could have prevented all of this rust. Little corrosion protection on it from new goes a long way, keeping your investment looking its finest. Nevertheless, it's in good hands. We're going to do one of our full Monty Valets, get it all prepped, ready for the dealer to stick it in their showroom. Like I said, mechanically, she runs sweet as a nut, just a little cosmetically let down. So that's what we're here for. Got lots of brackets and nuts and bolts to attend to, and get a little corrosion protection on it afterwards. Let's get cracking. Previous owner didn't really know how to put chain lube on properly. He seemed to have it everywhere. That's 30 minutes just trying to get it off of the wheel. It's on everything. Look at it. Oh God. Okay, finally got this MT-09 washed. I swear I'm losing the will to live. Nearly an hour to get all the excess chain lube off. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you lube your chain. Get some non-fling chain lube. I use the XCP. Put a bit of paper behind the chain. Spray the inside as you spin it. And look, you don't get all the excess all over everything. Spray the inside, then put a bit of paper down there and spray the outside. Simple as that. I've never seen so much gunk all over the backside of a bike as this one. I don't know what it was, but it was like glue. Anyways, let's get this chain lubed up. I've got loads of brackets and nuts and bolts to paint, and to get a load of XCP on this just to prevent any corrosion. Okay, this 36,000 mile Yamaha Tracer 9 has now been trotted. What a transformation on this. This belongs to a local dealer to us, just taking it in trade. I think they'd sold it to the gentleman new, and he's just bought a new bike from them. So they wanted it freshened up before it goes in the showroom. Had quite a bit of corrosion on it here and there, so we've given it a good detail, a nice coating of XCP. I have had to dust those wheels with a bit of black, all the swing arms, center stand, side stand, all that exhaust. I sorted out the scratches on the cover there. Front of the exhaust, I got it the best I could. All the calipers have been meticulously cleaned. Single stage polish on all the bodywork. Windscreen was removed. Single stage polish on that. Quite a transformation on this high mileage Tracer. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. If you're trading your bike in, I'll tell you what, it's worth getting it clean first. Imagine the extra money this fella could have got if he had it clean before he took it in to trade it in. Nevertheless, we're here 6 days a week. Like I said, we do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a call, 07966 249 963.